Hi there, my name is Neil Peterson and I'm a Project Officer for Developing Your Workforce, Edinburgh, Midlothian and East Lothian. This is a quick guide for employers and organisations who are looking to post an opportunity on the Marketplace platform. Marketplace is a platform that school teachers and college educators can go to find opportunities to bring into the classroom, to bring to life all sorts of different bits and pieces, such as this example here, which is a interview techniques workshop delivered by the Royal Navy Career Service. Teachers and educators can come to this site, obviously then get in touch or book the opportunity via the employer. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to post your own opportunity. So you do so through a website called Our Skillsforce. The address that you go to is marketplace.ourskillsforce.co.uk. Now, if it's your first time using the site, obviously you'll need to sign up just here. You'll be sent an email to then activate your account, and from there you're ready to go. Pop in your email address and password and then log in, and then you'll be taken to your dashboard. As you can see here, I have no opportunities currently posted, but what I'm going to do today is walk through the process of adding an opportunity in. So to start off with, you go up to the top right hand corner and click on Create Opportunity. And then obviously what you need to do is tick one of these to what type of opportunity you're going to have. Now I'm going to create today a workplace visit. Then I'm obviously asked what age group do I want this to be offered to, and I'm going to offer it for anyone in secondary school. So I'm going to go S1, S3 and S4 to S6. Down here, if my opportunity was targeted at a particular audience, if it was trying to get females into construction, for example, I would put down addressing gender bias here. Because it's an opportunity that's open for all, I'm not going to tick any particular box. I'm just going to leave that section there and go to the next page. So I'm going to give my opportunity a title, and we'll call it Construction Site Visit. And then in the description, you obviously would say exactly what it is. I'll copy down from above. It's a construction site visit. It's in Edinburgh. The group size recommended is 15. And this is maybe aimed at all secondary pupils. Now, the more detail that you put into the description there, obviously the more this teacher's going to get from that, and therefore obviously the less questions that you might get through from them. So think obviously about who it is that you're targeted it to, the size that you're looking at, the area that it's in, and what sort of different bits and pieces that they might see from the visit or get from the opportunity that you're putting onto the site. If you've got a website, you can pop that down here in the website URL box. And if you've got any documents to go with this, such as an application form that a teacher might fill out for the opportunity, or a flyer, or even a video, you can pop that in this box here. I'm not going to add a website or a file today, so we'll just tick continue. Now this is where I tick what sectors participants might gain insight into, and obviously this being a construction site visit, I'm going to put down construction and building. Just tick that one there. You can tick multiple of those ones up there. And what areas do I think this might cover within the school? Well, it's going to be mostly technologies, but if I wanted to tick a couple others, I could do that too. I could say a little bit of science and a little bit of maths involved. What sort of career learnings will participants gain during the day? Well, they're going to learn about the sector and pathways into the sector. So I'm going to talk about routes and pathways, and then also learn about the different sectors and skills and knowledge. Take those two there and go to continue. Now I'm only going to offer this opportunity within the Edinburgh, Midlothian and East Lothian areas, so I'll put that down here. So we start off with Edinburgh, Midlothian and East Lothian. Obviously, if you wanted to do it for different regions, you can do that. You can tick any of the 32 different regions of Scotland there. Oops, I've just taken that one out, I'll put it back in. East Lothian. So I've got all those. And where will this take place? Well, it's going to take place at the construction site. So we'll pop in here a made up address, 123 High Street. And then we'll make that in Edinburgh. postcode. Oops, change that one there. And then through to continue to the next page. When is the opportunity available? So obviously I'm going to make it available over a flexible range of dates. If it was, say, a one-off opportunity that was on a specific date, you would pop that in over on the side here. But I'm going to make it flexible, which means that teachers can contact me and find out what sort of day would suit them between obviously the employer or organisation and the school. They can then work out the perfect date. So we pop that in here and we say what time this is available or where it's available from. It's going to be available from tomorrow. And I'm going to keep this opportunity open for a year. So I'm going to pop down July sometime next year. When the registration's open, well, they open tomorrow as well. So we'll pop in tomorrow's date. How long does it last? This doesn't need to be accurate, but probably a bit of a rough guide for the teachers or educators. We'll pop in here 60 minutes. How many places are available? I did obviously put this in opportunity before, but I'm going to pop down here. I would recommend 15 is the good size visit for the construction site visit. Pop that in there. You then get a chance to review and submit your opportunity, so you can check through all the different bits and pieces that you've put in. Happy enough with those, and we then simply go to submit your opportunity. So when I've done that, I get this message that come up that says, thanks, you've successfully submitted your opportunity, and then your local DYW Developing the Workforce team will then approve that for you within 48 hours. What you can do is go back to your dashboard here to have a look and see that opportunity there, and you can see that is now in status pending approval. If I wanted to add another opportunity, I can go back and do that again here. Or if I wanted to edit this opportunity, again, I can also do that down here. So that's the guide for adding an opportunity to Marketplace. Hopefully you found that nice, quick and easy to do. There's a guide that goes with this. So if you don't have that, please contact your local DYW group who can definitely get that across to you. Thank you very much for your time today, and happy posting.